Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku with 2 stars. Yes, in not today's newspaper, it's in the newspaper of Friday. Yes, in the additional of Friday, April the 9th, 2021. Actually, it's today, Monday, but Monday, today we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, only one regular Sudoku for today. So I've decided to finish the rest of the puzzle page of Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 9th, 2021. So we have 3 puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. And this Sudoku will be number 2622. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. And then. How about the 5 in this column? 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then, Okay. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those 3 numbers, missing numbers, are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 349. 349. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes at there. All right. 2, 5, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And then we see a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 7? How about the number? Yeah, the number Yes, in this big square. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 4 and a 5, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and a 9. 4, 8 and 9. Okay. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 1. 6. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in this column. 3 and a 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 3 and the 6 should be in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a pair, 3 and a 6. Alright. Then 4, 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1 and a 2. Well. 2, 2. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. It should be the 8. Yeah. 1, 1. Alright. We need a 9 there. 9. Yeah. 9. Yes, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. Yeah. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7 are missing in this column. And look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 in this column should be there. Now the 6 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and the 7. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5. Okay. 5 and a 7. Aha! These 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. So now we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 7. It's not the solution. The 7 should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 6 is missing. 2, 3, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 there in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. So one box left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. 2, 1, 2, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Alright. 1 box left in the second row for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, then 4 and 5. Okay. How about these two numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 1. The 3 and the 1 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. All right. Two boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now I have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the 2 last puzzles in this additional of Friday, April the 9th, 2021. See you later. Bye-bye for now.